Magandang Sabado sa inyong lahat. Welcome to my 5th event this year, 2018. This is your host, Miss A, and I would like to welcome you to Janet Robles Obra 50th birthday here at Paseo Rizal, Nagundi, Morong, Rizal. So here, I would like to welcome you because this is my first time and I'm so excited to start the program. So again, if you need a host, you can check my Facebook fan page, www.facebook.com/AngelCamboHost, and follow me on Instagram at HostAngel, and visit my YouTube channel and subscribe. Just type in Events by Miss A and you can check my video there. This is my first time and most of the guests, especially the family of Janet, flew back here in the Philippines just to celebrate, and she wanted to celebrate her birthday together with her daddy, and her dad is 92 years old and her mom is 85 years old, and of course the family here in Morong. So I'm going to start now the program. Have a good day. Bye.
Welcome to Jeanette's 50th birthday. We are extremely delighted that all of you are here to celebrate this important milestone in Jeanette's lives. Allow me again to introduce myself for the benefit of the newcomers. My name is Miss A, and I'll be hosting this very blessed day for the life of Jeanette and her family and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back as we grow, join, and enjoy her party for tonight. Pero bago po ang lahat, I know you're so excited. Parinig nga ng excited ninyo. Isa ulit pasigaw, magpalakpakan na may sigaw! Hey! Magandang malapit ng maggabi! Lagundi at Paseo Rizal, isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. What we can only probably find New York. Are you in a relationship right now? No. No. So, are you fine dating like me?
I'm good.
You're good. It's okay. I can ask your dad later. Maybe your dad will accept me. Are all gathered here. It's because of this funny, fine, and very supportive, the wondrous mom, kapatid, ang ina at tiyahin ninyong lahat. If you want to scream and shout, guys, it's all up to you. Show your love and affection. And if you want to video her and take a lot of pictures and video, do not forget our official hashtag on your favorite social media accounts. That's going to be the Big 50 and Jeanette at 50. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so honored and blessed to introduce to you our birthday celebrant. Put your hands together for Miss Jeanette Robles Obra! Come on, guys! Hey! I want to see your hands like this in the air! Hey! Jeanette Robles Obra! Join the rest of your family here, Jeanette. Look at her. Alam niyo ba na 50 na siya? Mukha bang 50, guys? Woo! One more time, palakpakan na ba natin? Mahina. Game na ba kayo? Let's start the first question. Kuya, first question. Complete the date of her birthday. Go! Dahan po ako, si Kuya Arturo. Ano po ang kompleto?
January 26, 1967.
Mali po yung kapatid nyo, hindi po siya. Mali, di ba po? Mali, Kuya Arturo, still!
January 26, 1968.
Tama! Asan ang prize? Mami, tanggapin mo! Ambak lang ito. Tanggapin mo. Next question, number 2. Best friend of Janet in college. Magbigay ng pangalan. Go! Name pangalan ng best friend na classmate. Mag-raise lang eh. Meron mo nakakaalam? Meron? Ayan, si ate.
Edna Villamin.
Edna, nandito ba? Andito si Ma'am Edna. Edna Villamin, tama! Tita, tanggapin mo! Ito yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat eh. Parang ang sarap sa... Sige. Densyo. Sige. Ito din mas masarap. Ano pangalan mo ba? Arthur, single ka ba?
Married.
Ay, nandito? Nasaan po? Ay, kayo ba? Ay, meron na kayo? Ay, naghihiwalay din yan. Ito din, alam mo, puno-puno ka ng energy kanina. Alam mo ba sa sobrang energy mo, mapupunit na yung polo mo. Dahil tipid-tipid na sa, mana tayo, ganyan siya. Parang mongoloid pa mo. Ano pangalan mo din?
Alpin.
Alpine. Parang katas yan, Alpine. Ikaw, ito yung mga gusto ko, yung mga mapayat, matangkad, ayan. Yung mga nag-basketball ka ba?
No.
Gusto mo rubber shoes. Pero kaliwa lang muna. May asawa ka na. Saan po? Taas po. Ay, ikaw ba? Naku, talo ako doon. Ang ganda eh. Wala pang makeup yung konti lang. May ilang anak niyo?
Isa lang.
Isa lang. Gusto ba maging dalawa? Pilitin natin. Ano ba yung inihanda ninyong saya? Kayo! Paano yan? Sige na! Meron ba yan? May pakolyo pa pala to. Tari-targa ni Piano, tumatang. Alak pa! Alak pa! Tari ni Piano, no? Ikorot ba yan? Pinit na ako. Tapos, lalong tingin niyo ako. Kunyari Barna. Taga-saan kayo? Matagal na ba kayo dito? Pustahan security guard ka, no? O, ikaw naman, nagmamap na floor. Ay, malapakan naman natin. Come on, everyone, let's sing! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Jeanette, we would like to hear your message. Guys, let's hear ano ba ang message ni Jeanette before blowing the candle.
Thank you all for coming. Really appreciate it. Mamaya na lang ang chikahan. Mamaya na lang. Pagpalinda ako ng damit. Okay. Good health always for everybody.
And then, whenever you're ready, take it away, blow your candle. Ladies and gentlemen, guys, Jeanette at 15! So, pero bago pa tayo makatulog, kailangan isingin natin mga saradong at mga dugo natin. Kaya naman, DJ Sonit, masigaw mo, palakpakan na may sigawan! Baby, barangay. Artista. Kahit sino lang. Tom Cruise! Kawawa naman si Tom Cruise. Ano kaya ang sakit niya? Pick up lines eh. Miss A, meron ka? Wala. Ako na lang po. Aso po ba kayo?
Bakit?
Wala. Gusto ko lang po. Trip-trip na. Walang bakit po na. For happy life, healthier life, and another 50 years for Jeanette. Cheers, everyone! Cheers! And then shot. Toast muna kayo. Toast! And then shot. Shot, guys. Shot. Happy birthday! Yes, pinagkakaguluhan. It's time for me to give the mic to our birthday celebrant. And DJ, as I call her name, everyone, gusto ko malakas na palakpakan na may sigawan ha, para sa kanyang speech sa ating lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, guys, our birthday celebrant on her message for us. Put your hands together for Jeanette Robles Obra! Ma'am Jeanette, ano po nais ninyong sabihin? Eto na! Ang talaga namang 50 years na kayo, ano nais niyo sabihin sa kanilang lahat? Real essence of your birthday celebration. That's why God, sobrang binigyan ka ng sobrang strong na family at wala, buhay pa. At si mommy at daddy, tingnan na lang natin at ang daming bisita ngayon. At dahil sa pagmamahal ng iyong asawa at anak, the words, I love you. Diba? Pero ang tanong, kailan mo huling sinambit, mahal kita inay, itay, ate ko, kuya ko, asawa ko, kalaguyo ko, kapitbahay ko, kaibigan ko, at lalong-lalo na mahal kita, Lord. Diba? And I would like to congratulate you because it's a job well done. Nasabi mo sa akin na ang gusto mo is para makasama mo pa ang nanay at tatay mo at gusto mong alagaan sila. Feeling ko kahit ang tatay mo ay hindi na nakakaalala sa puso niya, mararamdaman niya ang ginawa mo ngayon sa kanila. This has been Miss A and this has been Jeanette